Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Hyundai Elantra headlight bulb full guide. Start by parking on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. Put on gloves and locate the headlight housing under the hood. Remove the dust cover and unplug the connector from the back of the bulb assembly. Handle the new bulb by its base and avoid touching the glass. Reinstall in reverse order and test the light before closing the hood. Begin by turning the steering wheel for better access if space is tight. Remove any clips or screws holding the headlight cover and set them aside. Carefully pull the dust cap straight off to expose the bulb. Press the connector tab and pull the connector free from the bulb base. Twist the bulb counterclockwise and pull it out of the socket. Inspect the housing and clean any debris before installing the new bulb. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: don't forget the little comforts. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep you comfortable while wrenching. I've linked the product and other deals in the description for easy access, so check there when you can. And now let's get back to the video. Take care to handle the replacement bulb only by the plastic or metal base to avoid oil on the glass. Align the bulb tabs with the socket slots and push it in firmly, then twist clockwise until it seats and locks into place. Reattach the wiring connector until you hear or feel the retaining tab engage. Replace the dust cap and any housing screws or clips. Reconnect the battery and test the headlight beam for correct aim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.